What a beautiful day, man.
Nice, eh?
What beautiful gear, Josh.
Yep.
What pretty ropes you have. My word, what pretty ropes you have.
Dodgy. This rock here, I don't dig it. It's like so fucking wobbly, bro.
Oh, a lot of these rocks
Okay,
are dodgy.
get into position again.
Okay, I'm ready to abseil.
Okay.
So I'm holding with left hand.
Just remember,
My shoes
this
is on.
hand must be on this for it to run freely, okay?
Yeah.
And if it gets stuck, just give it a little wiggle. You understand?
Yeah.
Now walk down.
Here we go.
Put that
Okay.
hand behind you more. Yeah, keep it there. Start walking yourself down. Even if your hand falls off, this thing's gonna lock, dude.
Is everything locked there? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
but they'll be
No,
locked.
it's good, it's good, dude. It's all good.
Okay, I'm going. Going down the mountain.
Going down the mountain in a row.
Yeah, this hand should actually be by my ass.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, now I'm getting the hang of it.
Classic working?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, perfect,
Just
yeah.
remember you're gonna
I'm gonna check it there. Look, it's locking.
Yeah. Nice, eh?
Yeah,
And now unlock it for me. How do you do that? It's nice, eh?
yeah.
Fucking cool, eh? Okay.
It's coming back to me now.
Just remember you're gonna go over a fucking huge overhang just now after you've gone past this first little ledge here.
And you reckon that's where I'm gonna freak out?
Well, just remember you've got no more feet touching anything, dude.
Woo, woo, look how pretty. Okay, I can see it coming up.
Okay.
Oh, this is beautiful, man. Look at this beautiful mountain.
Also be aware of the rope below you, okay? Like always look in case you've got snag or something and the end is not at the bottom. Do you know what I mean?
Good point.
Just follow the rope down. I can see it lying on the floor. I can see the red one.
Okay. Gets hot quickly, eh?
Yeah. Just keep going.
No, I'm taking it slow so it doesn't get too hot. Because I haven't got gloves.
James, can you save those photos for later, dude?
Save what photos?
Oh, sorry. Are you taking photos?
No. No, I said I'm going slow so it doesn't get hot. Because I haven't got gloves. Okay, do I wait on this ledge or do I keep on going, Josh?
Carry on going, right over.
Okay.
How are you going to get to that huge overhang?
Okay.
Start dangling like a spider, dude. Hey, look up.
Dangling like a spider. Wow, how cool is this? Ugh. Okay, Josh. Woo!
How are you getting on there?
That was fucking amazing.
Okay, so what I want you to do now is get you on the ground. Just obviously take yourself off delay and off of your abseil and take your plastic out, all of that shit. I want the wraps to be free, and then when they're free, just give me the go ahead through the walkie-talkie. Alright?
Roger that, gotcha. GoPro, stop recording.